Vatek provides innovative products and differentiating services for mutually beneficial growth, together with all of our strategic partners. Easy Sensor Classic is the most reliable and largest selling intraoral sensor with 14,000 plus installations in India. The most preferred intraoral sensor today, which comes in a highly sophisticated, really upmarket packaging that not only has a nice and attractive design to place all accessories in an organized way, but also shows the commitment of a global brand with core specialization in dental imaging solutions. Vatek's innovative and in-house manufacturing capability brings sensor of unique size 1.5 that is useful for patients of all age groups, adults as well as pedo, gives larger active area for better image quality and accurate treatment planning. Vatek's innovation of cut corners and tapered edges provides easy positioning while taking an X-ray and does not hurt the gums or sensitive areas in the mouth. Yet another effective benefit that makes positioning easier and comfortable and restricts noise and blurry images due to sudden movement. The high-quality material used ensures comfort for patients during positioning, provides thinnest sensor with better clarity at widest ranges of X-ray exposures. The 17 line pairs per mm resolution is the best in category feature. This practical resolution provides superior quality clear images for effective diagnosis. IP68 certification that makes it water and dust proof, makes it more durable and restricts accidental damage. The wholly company-owned easy-to-use software provides 2-in-1 consulting tool. The simplest design makes it easy to learn and use during practice, and also offers convenience to keep all records in an organized format. Patient tab contains patient management system like add, delete, modify and search patient details. Acquisition tab for acquiring the X-ray images and importing the external images. Viewer tab contains complete diagnostic tools like brightness and contrast adjustment, sharpening filters, zooming and enhancement of ROI, measurement and implant simulation tool. Easy Navi tool that detects carries automatically, make patient consultation more effective. Consult tab contains almost all treatments animated videos that makes consultation more interactive and increases treatment acceptance ratio. A unique feature patient education videos are the animated videos, especially designed by Vatek for patients to understand the procedure better and take decisions immediately without delay. Report tab creates reports for the patients as printouts, PDF or email directly from the software without the help of any third-party application. A unique 3 steps service support mechanism ensures instant support for service-related concerns. The details of 123 is: within day 1, you get online support if the issue is not resolved online. Within day 2, service engineers visit to your clinic, and if still the concern is not resolved, step 3, we will change the unit. To avail this special gesture, register your concern on www.vatekindia.in/Vatek123 and our qualified service team representative will contact you to understand the concern and provide support. At Vatek India, the largest numbers of installations and satisfied customers are proof of the outstanding sales and services that we offer. It's time to go digital with Vatic Easy Sensor Classic Intraoral Sensor. For further details about the product and for free demo at your clinic, at your convenient time, please register online on www.vaticindia.in/free demo, and our authorized representative near you would get in touch with you. Your happiness is our success.